At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and platform, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. For many, confronting difficult emotions or navigating life's challenges may seem even more daunting when confined to the four walls of a therapist's office. This is where walk and talk therapy might help. Walk and talk therapy falls under eco-psychotherapy, merging ecology and psychology. It encompasses various outdoor therapies like horticulture, adventure, and animal-assisted therapy, promoting mental well-being through nature-based interventions. The therapy process is a unique approach that harnesses the therapeutic benefits of both physical activity and conversation. It takes therapy sessions from traditional clinical settings into the great outdoors, typically in a public park or natural surroundings. As clients walk with their therapist, they converse, discussing thoughts, feelings, and experiences in the present moment. The purpose of walk and talk therapy extends beyond mere exercise. It offers a refreshing change of scenery, allowing individuals to reconnect with nature while exploring their inner world. Starting walk and talk therapy, also called outdoor therapy, might feel daunting if you're accustomed to traditional therapy settings, especially during that first session. Here's a breakdown of what typically happens during a session. Initial assessment. Before the first walk, the therapist will conduct an initial assessment in person or virtually. This assessment helps them understand the client's needs, goals, and any relevant background information to tailor the therapy experience. Meeting point. The client and therapist will agree on a meeting point, often a public park or outdoor setting. Walking and talking. Once set off, the conversation flows naturally as discussions on whatever is on the client's mind. The therapist will walk alongside the client, providing support and guidance as needed. Engaging with nature. Throughout the session, there will be an opportunity to engage with surroundings, whether taking in the sights and sounds of nature, noticing the changing seasons, or simply enjoying the fresh air. Exploring emotions. During the walk and talk, the client will delve into their thoughts and feelings, exploring challenging emotions or issues in a safe and supportive environment. Reflecting and processing. Towards the end of the session, there may be time for reflecting and processing. A successful walk and talk therapy session requires careful planning and thoughtful execution. Here are some tips to help you make the most of each session. Prepare the route. Before each session, consider terrain, accessibility, and potential distractions to create an environment conducive to meaningful conversation. Set intentions. Start the session by setting intentions or goals with clients. This helps create a framework for the conversation. Ask open-ended questions. Encourage exploration and introspection by asking open-ended questions that invite your client to share their thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Practice active listening. Be fully present and attentive during the session. Practice active listening to understand your client's perspective. Embrace silence. Don't be afraid of moments of silence during the walk. Silence can provide space for reflection and deeper introspection. To learn more about walk and talk therapy, go to our Carepatron website or click on the link in the description. We have a range of guides and articles to help you learn more about different therapy techniques to incorporate into your practice. Carepatron is a healthcare platform designed for you. Signing up is free. Just click on the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more content like this.